Have you ever noticed your lights flicker when the air conditioner turns on? Or maybe your breaker trips in the middle of summer? You're not crazy. And it's not just an HVAC problem. Most homeowners don't realize this. Modern HVAC systems hold more power than older homes were designed for. That means overloaded panels, weak breakers, voltage drops, and systems that never perform the way they should. So you replace the AC, but the electrical system is still struggling. And now your brand new equipment is operating under stress. At AAA Heating and Air, we don't just look at the unit. We look at the home, airflow, humidity, electrical load, panel capacity, system sizing. Because comfort isn't just temperature, it's safe, balanced performance. If your AC trips breakers, if your lights dim, if your home feels off, before you replace anything, start with our instant HVAC replacement quote. Get real pricing in minutes. Then let us confirm your home's electrical and comfort needs the right way. AAA Heating and Air. We fix uncomfortable homes, not just systems.
AAA Air when you need us. AAA Heating and Air.